Anil Labs is a popular technology blog that covers a wide range of topics related to web development, programming, and technology. The blog provides in-depth tutorials, tips, and tricks on web technologies such as PHP, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, AngularJS, React.js, and more. The author, Anil Kumar Panigrahi, is a software developer and blogger who has been writing about web development and technology since 2008. He has a wealth of experience in web development and has worked with various technologies over the years. Anil Labs covers topics ranging from basic web development concepts such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to more advanced topics such as web security, APIs, and cloud computing. The blog also covers topics related to database management and software engineering. The blog is a great resource for developers and technology enthusiasts. Overall, Anil Labs is an excellent resource for anyone interested in web development, programming, and technology.